I have the Samsung Galaxy S24 and I'll be showing you how to add a photo widget to the home screen of this phone. So simply go to the home screen and then long press an empty space on the lock screen to open up the lock screen editor, and then at the bottom tap on widgets. And that's going to show you widget categories that you can add. Of course, you have this recommended section. If you scroll, you should see the gallery widget. So when you tap on that, you'll have one gallery widget. So tap on it and then tap on add. Now it's going to ask to use the gallery widget. You need to allow the following permissions in settings. So access to photos and videos, which you have to allow. So let's go there and go to permissions, photos and gallery, tap on that, and then always allow all. Okay, so select that. Then you can go back now to the home screen and you should see your widget there. Okay, now this is going to show, or it's going to cycle through photos in your gallery and show widgets. You can move the widget on different home screens. You can long press the widget and then tap on settings. And then once you tap on settings, you can choose images to show. So if you tap on this, you can select a specific story, specific album, or select images. So let's go ahead and select specific images. Now, if you have images in an album that you want to cycle through this widget, you can choose that album. But for me, I'll just go ahead and choose select images. Now from here, I'll just go to my gallery and then select a couple of images. Okay, so let me select that. Then I'll select this one. That one, and lastly maybe even this one and this one. Okay, I have 5 photos. I can select up to 1,000 photos, as you can see. So when I'm done selecting, just tap on done, and now those are the images that are going to show in my widget. Now you can also choose how the images appear in the widget. You can choose either fit to widget like that, and it's going to attempt to try and fit in the widget, or stretch to fill widget. Okay, and then the next thing you want to do is, once you select any of this, you might have a couple of options like choosing the background color, transparency. Do you want to match it with dark mode? You can play around with all the settings and then tap on save, and that's going to be your lock screen widget. Okay, so you can tap at any time on the photo currently showing, and that's going to open the gallery and show you that photo. So if you long press once again, you can adjust the width, okay, like that, and then you can have your photos or your photo widget on the home screen of your phone. And that is basically how to use, or how to set up a photo widget to the home screen of your Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.